Hey people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do homemade mango ice cream. So I rather to use mango that is not fibrous, or as we call it in Jamaica, stringy. So common mango is not a good choice because it's stringy as we say in Jamaica, hence we call common mango stringy. So I'm using 1 gram mango. St. Julian aka Julie is also a good choice. So I'm using the two sides of the mango, and I am using a spoon to scoop out the flesh into a container. So now I am putting the mango's flesh into a food processor. I am using sweetened condensed milk as the sweetener, and I'm adding the amount that I want. So if you will be following this recipe, use the amount of sweetened condensed milk that you want to use. I don't want the ice cream to be overly sweet. So choices are all up to you. Then I cover the food processor and then I blend the ingredients until well smooth. So now I'm going to taste the pulp if it is sweet enough or if it needs more condensed milk. But first I am using a piece of paper towel to wipe the spoon so that it will be free of water, because I don't want water to be in the pulp. So I'm tasting the pulp. I am putting some of the pulp into the palm of my hand and to taste it if it needs more milk. It did needed more milk, so I did added a little bit more condensed milk, and it was perfect after that. Okay, so I scraped the pulp into a container, and as you can see, some spill on the countertop. Yeah, man, so I got some time. So what I'm gonna do now is to cover the pulp and put it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. Not in the freezer, in the fridge, right? So now I'm gonna make the ice cream base. Okay, people, so this bowl was in the fridge chilling for like an hour. Make sure that no water is inside of the bowl. And then in the bowl, I have 2 cups of whipping cream. So 2 cups. This is 1 cup, so 2 cups, right, of whipping cream. I use this whipping cream. Make sure that the whipping cream is also cold. Don't put it in the freezer, put it in the fridge. So now I don't add another cup. It's just the whipping cream that was inside the measuring cup. I just drained into the container. So I'm gonna place the whipping cream back in the fridge. So now I am gonna mix the whipping cream until it forms a stiff peak. Yes, as you can see, the whipping cream is getting thicker and thicker, but it is not quite where I want it to be as yet, because I want it to form a stiff peak where it does not fall over, so it just stands still, really stiff. Yeah, man, so about maybe 5 minutes more or so, yeah, it will get to the point. As you can see, it is at the point right now. Yeah, man. As you can see, it is stiff and not falling over. So it is ready. So now I am adding the mangoes puree to the whipping cream. And then I am going to use a spatula to fold in the mango puree with the whipping cream, combining it. Yeah, man. And I am adding a little at a time. Yeah, and gently folding the mixture with the whipping cream, and also working very quickly because it is really hot in Jamaica, so I don't want the whipping cream to get, too warm. It is cold right now and perfect, so gotta work quickly. Yeah, man. So now I'm going to put the ice cream mixture into a loaf pan. The loaf pan was in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So it's very cold. When you're making ice cream, make sure that everything is cold for best result. So now I'm using the spatula to scrape the ice cream mixture into the loaf pan. So now I am using a piece of cling wrap to cover the container with the ice cream mixture, ensuring that the plastic embedded into the ice cream mixture, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge to freeze for overnight. You can freeze it for at least 6 hours, but I'm going to put mine in the fridge to freeze for overnight. So this is the ice cream the next day, well frozen, well creamy, well nice. Yeah, man. The advantage of making your own ice cream is that it tastes like real fruit. It's not overbearing with the mango flavor. So that again, you must regulate the amount of mango puree you use if you don't want the flavor to be overbearing. And then it contains no preservatives, so it is totally kind of sort of healthy. Yes, you know what is inside your ice cream. And because it contains no preservatives, the shelf life is very short. It's like 3 days, but nevertheless, it's still much, much healthier than the store-bought ones. Yeah, man. So this is my homemade mango ice cream. Totally delicious, totally creamy to my satisfaction and my family's satisfaction as well. Yeah, man. What I like about my homemade mango ice cream is that it is so creamy and so smooth. It's like silk on your tongue. Yeah, man, so good. Yeah, man, so store the leftover ice cream into an airtight container in the freezer for up to 3 days. Thanks for watching. Remember to share my videos, like my videos, leave a comment, and click the post notification bell. Walk good.